To re-register the fingerprints, go into the settings app and then scroll until you see security and privacy, and then you see the device unlock and fingerprint. I have to enter the pin. This is a temporary pin, and these fingerprints I have to delete them. And I will add the fingerprint again. And I have to do it a little bit slower. Okay, I'll try with the other hand. I have to try the tip. The middle, it tells you which part to press. Okay. So this one is done. I will add another fingerprint. There's nothing wrong with my finger. Touch the left edge, the right edge, Okay, I will add one more, the last one. You just have to keep pressing longer. Now the top of the finger, the left edge, the right edge, middle. Yeah, it's easier. I got used to it. Okay, now it's done. So I added 3 fingers and let's see. Yeah, now it looks easy. And this finger, yeah, so it's perfect. So it's easy to re-register the fingerprints. Unlock. Yeah, the face unlock also worked. That's it. It's really aligned well and it doesn't have any like sharp edges. Everything is really well arranged there. It's really perfect. Wow. Thanks for watching.